Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name's Joanne. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for stopping by. I make cleaning and organisation videos, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a bit of a refresh of my laundry room, so doing a bit of cleaning and organising and decluttering and cleaning my kitchen. So enjoy! So I'm starting off in one of the cupboards in the laundry room where I keep some back stock of groceries and other larger items that I might buy in bulk. And I'm just going through and sorting things out. I'm checking the expiration dates on things. There are some things that had been opened and sitting there a while and were past the expiration date. So I was just getting rid of those, then going in and cleaning all the containers and the inside of the cabinet. Now this cupboard was fairly organised and had been categorised into different groups, so I didn't need to do too much work there, but I just made sure that when I pulled everything out I kept them together in their groups. So I had a section for baking stuff, flour, sugar and whatnot, some extra snacks and biscuits, and then various cooking items and condiments and sauces and that type of thing. So I just made sure to keep them all together and group them back in there. So it had been a few days and we'd been doing some cooking in the air fryer in the laundry room, so there were crumbs and other debris that had fallen onto the bench top. I was also soaking some towels ready to go in the wash and had been using the laundry sink to do some cleaning, so that was quite dirty as well. So I just need to start by getting rid of everything that didn't need to be there and then going ahead and starting the cleaning. as you can see, the dust really builds up on the kitchen bench and everything that's sitting on it, so I just made sure to go in and give it a really good wipe down with a damp cloth, and then went in with some all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber cloth. And while I was cleaning the kitchen, I thought I would go ahead and start my robot vacuum and get that going so I could be more effective with my cleaning time, and the floor could be getting vacuumed and mopped while I was cleaning the kitchen. If you'd like to know a little bit more about this robot vacuum and mop combo, or have a bit of a review on it, please let me know in the comments down below and I can put a video together for that. So next I was getting ready to clean my kitchen cabinets, and I'm just using a microfiber mop here. So I wet the mop head and added a little bit of detergent to it, and then attached it to this mop pole, and it just makes it a little bit easier and less strenuous to clean the cabinets, especially the upper ones as well. So I just went in and did that, and I went back every so often and rinsed it out and added a little bit more detergent as I went along. I also made sure to go in and clean the kickboards as well, and then I just went over with a dry microfiber cloth to buff it all out. And after that, it looked and felt a lot cleaner. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and got some cleaning motivation. Feel free to check out one of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next one.